Namaskar. Ketsan dohon maz gasan sanin shurin hind exam shuru. It's going to be Feb or March. Yimni donratan maz ches exam asan, and it really brings me shivers. Magar winkenos you see video chu. I am not making it for students. I'm making it for the parents. Yiman basan chu ki you see exam chu. Ichu yiman dun. First of all, please remember, you see exam chu. Ye chu tuhundin shuren hindis capability hund exam that how much they are able to learn and reproduce the same concept in a universal method of testing. It is no way of representing कि tim kith छ या तुहंस parenting kith छ या अमे result सहित बनियो ते ज़्यादा better parent, ज़्यादा better family. It is very heartening to see when we attach son yazat to the marks of the child. You know why? It's heartening. Kyaski yemis jaan ch asan number. Tamis ch sorry normal basan. But what about this child is not performing well? What happens to the parents? They feel ashamed. As kya bani wan kya buthao is. But have you ever thought कि ये छुन तुहंद एग्जाम ये छुन तुहंद पेरेंटिंग हुंद एग्जाम ये छु सिर्फ अमिस तुहंदिस शुर सन्स कैपेबिलिटी हुंद एग्जाम यस वक्त वक्त छु बदलान. There are proofs that if a person is doing extremely well in academics तमिक मतलब छुन कि सु आसि पगा professionally ते successful सु आसि personally ते successful. No, there is no guarantee. So my humble request, Sarni Majan to Malan Pet. Another 2 months, it's very crucial times and insurance khatra. Please don't manipulate them. Please don't say, मैं कुजा मेहनत करचे पेट, मैं कुता tuition पेट कोर्से पास खर्च, because you're making them go through this guilt trip. And this guilt trip might give you temporary results. कि चलो तुह वोनमु तमिस साइस लट वथु पारो यह करो हु करो या तुह करो अमिस 10 लट वोनहस मे कत्या पंस कर खर्च चन मोल कुता मेहनत छु करान. Those temporary results are making you happy. मगर यहुन छ आसान वारिया long lasting effect yus over the years तुह ननमु when they start detaching from the family. When they see कि प्रथका चीज छु मेनिस family मन छु मे तेले value यल ब successful chus. No, family has to be a place. However you are most welcome. कि जिंदगी मज अगर से कहते गलत गची कुंती विज unsuccessful आसक, this is the place where you have to come back, and this is the place where we will hold you tight, and we will not judge you. So next 2 months करतो कोशिश थोड़ा सा डिटैच गसनस तिमन छु वथ च तिमन हावन, but don't take it onto your stride कि म्योन यजत म्योन फैमिली लीनिएज म्योन सोसाइटी मज वथुन बिहुन छु सोरी डिपेंडेंट चैनन नंबरन पे. Don't tell this to child. Tell him to do better. एमिस वन्यू कि येले परख लेखक तेले बनक्यन, but बार going through this sessions, you know, children will produce good marks, but trust me, it has a bad effect on their mental growth. बेच तो हमेशा याद करो युस नफर यमिस तो दहले वथ्यू थोद वथुन ते बेस्ती बेहवुन ते बेस्ती कांचु घर पोछ यवान तो छु नमिस नेबर ते दिवान गसन हे वन क्या छु नेबर गसन बेह पतर ते छि exam. You know, these things don't make him a better human being. These things will just make him a good, obedient child or a human being, but not a better human being. अमिस छु बासान पत बढ़ित कि मैं ये काम छ करन मैं छु तथ में सक्सेसफुल गछुन तम सित गस म्योन मोल मज या म्योन बॉस खुश. No, don't own their successes and don't own their failures. Be a supportive parent. युथुई तिम पास छ गसान, don't be proud of the fact कि बुच मैं उनी से सधाइलट या मैं हवी से वथ तवे गोख से सक्सेसफुल या सोसुक न म्योन बोजानी तवय आईनेचे number. Don't put all focus on yourself as a parent. You are just a guide. The success and the failure. Ipazi shuran wuchun. Ipazi timan taste karun that when I get successful, how does it feel? Ya मैं क्या करूँ यम सिद्ध successful कहूँस. अगर मैं number कम आए or I was unsuccessful, let him face it and own it. कि मैं कम गलती करे तो यम सिद्ध failure गोसु. Don't say कि वैसा जल्दी वसमत खबर हिमा पर है जान पर. No, don't do that. Don't put yourself in the guilt trip. Don't put your children on this path. So for next 2 months, main humble request you, detach yourself from the success of your children in terms of marks. Be proud of your children and encourage them in every field they do. Be a guiding light. Be a guiding light. Always remember, be a guiding light. And give them stronger roots that even if you are successful or you are a failure in terms of the society or the worldview, but for us, you are the child and we will always be the nurturers. Namaskar.